Hello there! So for today, I'm going to cook beef stir fry with veggies using Saladmaster Electric Skillet. So first thing, we have to preheat the skillet for around 5 to 7 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. After preheating, we will put the beef now on the skillet and saute it for a few minutes. And then I will also add some seasoning. And cover the skillet for around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I will now add the ginger and the garlic. And again, saute it for a few minutes. And after that, we'll add the pepper. I also add some oyster sauce. It depends on how much you want for your cooking. I also use a little bit of soy sauce. I also add some cornstarch. And water. So after incorporating all the flavors, now I will add the vegetables. I put some broccoli and some carrots. And now I will set the skillet at 150 degrees Celsius for around 7 to 10 minutes. And then we'll see after 10 minutes if our beef stir fry is ready. So that's it. Our beef stir fry with veggies is ready for our lunch.